In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 500 internal server error using 4 quick methods. These work for 99% cases, but if you are among the unlucky 1% that still can't solve this, just email our team here and we'll help you out. By the way, welcome to our channel. Our team has built multiple successful plugins, and here we help you find your website mojo by sharing weekly videos to fix issues and improve performance. Before we get into the fixes, let's quickly understand what this error is. The 500 internal server error can be caused by one of these reasons. This is basically a web server issue, and because there are many different web servers, operating systems and browsers, a 500 internal error can present itself in a number of different ways, but they are all communicating the same thing. This error can also have a bad impact on your SEO rankings if you do not fix it quickly. Let's now discuss the 4 most effective solutions to fix this error. Fix corrupt htaccess file. This is the most common cause of this error and is very easy to fix. Simply use your FTP client to access your website's root folder. You'll find the htaccess file next to your WP admin folder. Rename it to htaccess_disabled or something similar. Now try accessing your site. If it works, then great. All you need to do now is to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, go to settings and click on permalinks. Just click on save changes and boom! Fresh uncorrupted htaccess file and no 500 internal server error. But if this doesn't work, let's go to the next one. Fix PHP memory limit. This usually occurs when you use too many plugins or if a certain plugin is exceeding the PHP memory limit given by your hosting provider. The fix is easy. Open your FTP application. The wp-config.php file should be right there in your root folder. If it's not, scroll till you spot it. Open it and enter the following code. Now check your site. If it works, contact your hosting provider to either increase the memory limit or to figure out the source of the memory drain. Don't forget to remove that line of code from your wp-config file afterwards. Check your plugins. If you can access your WordPress admin dashboard, head over to your installed plugins and check your site after deactivating each plugin one by one. By this process of elimination, you can determine which plugin is at fault. If you can't access your WordPress admin dashboard, once again, log into your FTP client, find the WP content folder in your root folder. Within it, you'll see your plugins folder. Rename it to something like plugins disabled or anything really. This effectively disables all your plugins. Check if your site is working. If it is, then a plugin is at fault. Rename the folder back to plugins, go to your WP admin dashboard and re-enable them one by one to check which plugin is at fault. Re-upload your core WordPress files, navigate to your root folder in your FTP client and find the WP admin and WP includes folders. Download them as a backup and then delete them in your root folder. Head over to your wordpress.org website and download WordPress. Within the zip downloaded file, you'll find a fresh WP admin and WP includes folder. Simply upload them to your root folder in your FTP and check if your site is working. Contact your hosting provider. If all else fails, simply contact your hosting provider as they have access to the backend and have error logs that could pinpoint the source of this error. That's it. These solutions work for 90% cases, but if you're still stuck, I have attached a link in the description to an article that will help you out. Here are 2 other helpful videos for you. Comment below if you get stuck anywhere and I'll do my best to help you. That's all for today. This is Julian, your friendly neighborhood geek, and I will see you again next week.